welcome back again to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing an acrylic overlay on the natural nails. So this is my file, my acrylic brush. I'll be using a business container to put in my acrylic liquid inside of it. I also have my gel polish in wine color that I'll be using to apply on the acrylic overlay, and also my acrylic powder in the clear color, and also the base coat I'll be using to apply after applying the acrylic powder. So let's start, guys. So guys, right now I'll be cleaning her nails and also removing the dirt from her nails with a cuticle, and afterwards I'll clean off the nails totally again and get ready to file the nails. So this is me filing the nails just gently. So guys, after filing, I forgot to show you guys the primer. I'll actually be priming her nails first, her natural nails. So after priming, we will start applying the clear acrylic powder on the natural nails. This is me showing you guys the acrylic powder and the container with the acrylic liquid inside. So you dip in your acrylic brush into the acrylic liquid, dip it into acrylic clear powder and place it on the nails gently. You will just do it exactly where the client or the model's nail stops. Lucky me, my clients actually have a beautiful long nail, natural nails. So this is just me applying the acrylic, making sure everything is clean and well set. So this is how I'll be applying it on all the nails. So yeah guys, this is just me doing the last nails. Yeah, this is what it looks like after applying the acrylic on the natural nails. So this is me filing the acrylic on the natural nails to make sure it's smooth and even. So guys, the part took light on us, but we had to improvise. So guys, yeah, they brought back the light. So this is what the nail looks like after filing it. Just very beautiful. So right now I'll be applying the base coat on the nails, and immediately you apply the base coat, please dry it immediately with a nail lamp. So after drying the nails, the next we'll be applying the first coat of the gel polish in wine color. Guys, I know you guys have seen this wine color a lot on this channel. My clients love the wine color a lot, so that's why it always comes up in the channel. But don't worry, surely I'll do a different color and a different style and a different design for you guys to see. So this is a nail after the first coat and after drying it. So right now I'll be applying the second coat on it to darken it up. There are some people that prefer the first coat, but my clients loves it darker. So guys, this is what it looks after the second application and drying of it. So this is actually what it looks like. So beautiful. So lastly, I'll be applying the top coats on it to make it shine out properly. So after the application, guys, and drying it, this is what the final look looks like. It's so beautiful. My client loved it so much, and this can take you for almost a month. Yeah guys, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.